सो जी शाम के बज चुके हैं ऑलमोस्ट 5:30 इन द इवनिंग और आज है 10th ऑफ मई एंड इट्स रेनिंग आउटसाइड। हाँ हाँ भीतर काढ ले। Much needed rains finally. Wow. So let's start our new video for the day. So today's video is all about the initial setup of this beautiful X5 360 Insta360 X5. Wow. So I'm gonna put the fully charged battery into the camera and boot the same and do its initial setup and let you guys know what are the things to be done when you start it up for the first time. So before we start, so these are some few more accessories that I have purchased. This is the carry case that I have purchased it on Amazon, and these are the rest accessories which I have shown in the last video, I mean previous videos. And the recent accessory that I purchased is this beautiful charging case. I don't know what is this meant for, to store some memory cards, I don't know. So ये जो कैरी के चार्जिंग केस आता है इसमें टाइप सी पोर्ट भी दिया गया है so that you can plug this into a charger, or else you can use it as a power bank. And that's the button to show the status of the indication of the LEDs, the batteries. So green means both are fully charged, and that's battery number 1 and that's battery number 2. I usually prefer numbering batteries to maintain their charging cycles. So this I purchased on their official website. अच्छी डील मिली तो वहीं से ख़रीद लिया. And that's another port for charging. यहाँ से भी आप चार्ज कर सकते हो. So you can charge it or discharge it in both directions using this case. So निकालते हैं इसको. बैटरी नंबर 1, इसको निकालते हैं कैसे हैं, I'll figure it out. All you have to do is press both these locking latches and it pops out from the case, and all you have to do is insert the same into this. So I have removed all this rubber case and everything for my initial setup. So that's my battery number 1, and I hope I'm putting it in the right direction. Yeah, that's it. And let's start up this device. So ये जो 360 कैमरा है, यहाँ पर ये इसका स्क्रू माउंट है, and then that's the on off button, and that I guess is the recording button. I guess that's the mic slot. ये यहाँ का इसका टच स्क्रीन है. So I'm gonna keep it aside and I'll remove all this from my background and I'll give it a initial start. So इसके ऊपर ये भी पन्नियाँ कुछ लगी हुई हैं. I'll remove these plastic covers as well. Yeah, that's plastic number 1, and That's plastic number 2. अरे हट जाओ यार. हट गया. ओके. सो यहाँ पर भी प्लास्टिक है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस प्लास्टिक इज मेंट. इसके नीचे शायद कुछ सेंसर वेंसर होगा. आई हैव नो आइडिया. अरे या ओके. So removed all the plastics. Okay, before I start with the initial setup, I have removed the battery once again, and that's where you insert a memory card. So I have already inserted a memory card into it, and I'm gonna reinsert my batteries into the camera. That's the Type-C port for charging and data transfer. That's the on off button, I guess, and that's the Q button. I don't know what it's meant for. 2 more buttons over here. So let's start with this on off button over here. Oh, so the blue LED indicator has turned on. Okay, it's saying file repair successful. The first thing you have to choose is the language, so English obviously. Next, slide down to access the settings. Okay, that's how you slide out the settings. So the orientation, lock, settings, brightness, volume. Okay, and some more gesture controls, voice control, twist to shoot, some accessories, some presets, some endurance mode settings. Okay, here we have the Bluetooth settings, the audio settings, quick capture settings, and timed capture settings. So if I slide from the right hand side, okay, it's saying slide left. Okay, I mean from right hand side towards the left of the edge of the screen, you'll get some more parameters. That's the color setting. That's the log on and off, some more EV settings, white balance settings. Okay, steady shot on and off, and I guess that's the auto mode, and that comes to the manual settings. Okay, so basically one can switch between auto and manual. Okay, so if I swipe from bottom end to the top, we'll get some more parameters. Okay, in these we have the active HDR on, adaptive tone on, the resolution which we are recording in. So basically we can record it in 8K, 5.7K, 5.7K plus, 4K, and the frame rate. Wow. Okay, so I guess the 4K 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second. And from the left hand side we can see the stored files. Okay, oh, let us start showing. Long press for playback. Okay, and delete the file. Delete. So got it. Slide in any direction to adjust the preview of the angle. Got it. Okay, so some more things. Skip the intro and outro, and you can go through the settings. Okay, now all you need is this invisible selfie stick with this camera. I guess we have done with the initial setup of this beast. Wow. Okay, if I press this button over here, uh, let's go familiarize using these buttons. Start. Okay, that's the shutter button over here. Using this shutter button, tap the shutter button to take a photo or a video. So that's basically, I guess, for starting and stopping whatever the video or a photo. Next we have this second button called as the menu button. Okay, so this is the menu button wherein we can customize modes, switch between shooting modes, and we can customize the button as well. Next we have the power button to the right hand side. That's the power button, and it says short press to turn camera on or touch screen on and off. Okay, long press for power of the camera. Okay, and the fourth button is the quick button. Oh, Q stands for quick, and wherein we can customize some access preset page. Okay, so I guess that was all about the buttons that are available on this camera. So on the screen, this is the toggle between the front camera and the other camera of this 360 module. So some more settings, and if I tap on this button, it will change to the low light view or the pure, it says pure video mode for best results. Okay, wow. Nice. Okay, so that was pretty much all about the initial setup of this Insta360 X5. I'm gonna study some more things before I show to you guys regarding all this beast. Wow, बहुत ही अच्छा कैमरा है, and I'm gonna study thoroughly how to use this camera and put some content on my YouTube channel. So I hope this short and sweet video was good enough for the initial setup. In the future videos, I'll try putting some 360 content on my YouTube channel, and till then, subscribe, do leave a beautiful comment, do hit that bell icon, and see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.